I have tested more than 100 strategies, but always made the same conclusion. Trading minutes trades is the easiest and fastest way to achieve results. I withdraw $5,000 a week and share it in my channel. The cool thing is that there are only a few situations that are very often repeated on the chart and have the high chance of working out if you can find them in advance. How to look for such trades and what indicators to use for it, I will show you right now. Well, let's get started. The goal in this video, I have a rather modest, as you can see on my balance right now, is $2,058. Respectively, I want to earn another $1,000 on top with a bet of 200. So 5 trades I need to make successful in order to fulfill this goal. But in fact, something to tell you much more for me now, a priority, and today we will trade with you on the model of breakdown and retest of the horizontal level. For this purpose, I have prepared a very good almost automatic tool for you, which instead of you will determine all the key horizontal levels, you just need to absorb the information of this video like a sponge. Repeat all the steps that I will do in this video, and you will be able, as well as I hope in this video, to earn another $1,000 to your deposit. So let's begin. In the market, we have very often the same pattern, which is called breakout and retest of the horizontal level. It is very obvious pattern which consists only of a horizontal level. It can be also a horizontal area wider, in this situation is worked out in both directions. In this example, you can see a signal to go up when the market approaches a certain horizontal level. After 2 touches, we have a resistance zone or a support zone. If we are talking about a down signal at a certain moment, we have a retest, I mean a breakthrough of this level. And very rarely the chart just continues to go. Most often it happens that the chart returns to the zone which it has just broken through. It means that we have a breakdown, and as I have already said, very rarely the chart just continues to fall or go. Most often it returns to the retest of the broken zone, and in this place we open a trade with you. This is all you need to remember. The indicator that we are going to add to the TradingView today is called BreakEntryTest by ChartPrime. So just go to the indicator section and write the name of this indicator here. Here is this indicator from the ChartPrime author. He has 7,000 users. Just click once and it will be automatically added to your chart. By the way, if you do not have a profile on TradingView, it is very easy to make one. Just go to the tradingview.com, create a free account, then we click here on the plus. In the forex section, add all the assets you need that exist on your platform. It means that I will trade on this broker today, so I add all currency pairs without the OTS mark to my favorites, and we will trade with the help of an automatic indicator, but already on the TradingView platform. So unfortunately, you will not find and add such an indicator here. So use the opportunities that others do not have in order to earn more. Now the indicator is signaling us about the retest. So let's find this currency pair. On the broker, here is 89%. Right now I open a trade on the upside. As you can see, even as a confirming factor, we have a doji scroll with a long shadow at the bottom, which tells us about the presence of buyers in this area. We have a horizontal level that is being squeezed to this level. Now I will show you the level. Roughly speaking, let's draw it so the chart is squeezed to this level. We have a breakout, a retest, and now we are ready to move up. So guys, in 6 seconds, we are closing a series of trades. Let's see how much our balance will increase just by one trade. So by 200 approximately. If you are trading, let's say all in. So fully enjoying your entire deposit as other traders teach you to do. You would lose your entire deposit and say that it is impossible to make money here. So listen to real professionals like me, and I'm going to make all my other trades using the same strategy. So if you want to copy these trades automatically, you can follow the link from the description to my Telegram channel. Text me and I will connect you to my account. Let's move on. Right now, you can see how after numerous attempts and the chart still breaks through this horizontal level. Here we still could not overcome it in any way. And after we overcome it, we definitely return to testing the broken level. And in this place, we just open a trade on the upside. So let's wait for the result. So we open a down trade, absolutely identical, just in the opposite direction. Here we had a level formed a long time ago. We just after the breakdown from the top to the bottom, now we're testing it. I think that the downward movement we will definitely continue. The next trade was found with the help of this indicator. The only thing we had to adjust the level because in fact it is located approximately here. Respectively, from 8 we open on the rise, absolutely the same formation zone of resistance, which we could not break through for a long time. Broke through and we now return to retest. So on the next currency pair, we are still in the zone of retest. So I also open a trade on the rise. Everything is exactly the same. This indicator helped me to find a signal on this asset. So open a trade and wait for the result. The plus side is that we do not need to take the whole trend movement. We just need the closing point to be higher than the opening point. And the retest point is the most favorable situation in which we can open a great trade and get a great result. Guys, I am very satisfied with today's result. As expected, we managed to earn $1,000 in one trading session. I am sure that such simple and clear trades can be found by each of you, even without auxiliary indicators. Well, if you figure it out and add an automatic indicator on TradingView, your result can become much better. You can watch even more strategies on my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching this video. See you at the next trading session in my Telegram channel.